Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my April 2021 Witch's Moon box. Very excited, just got home from work and just opening her up here. Got our little twine, got our little card here. Destiny, all that I shall need to know as I walk shall now be shown. I can speak English. Okay, and our theme is the Weaver. I cannot read. A wish upon. Very, very pretty. I've just bought some things so that I could have a new way to store these, and I can't wait to get to that. Spirit of Fate. Beautiful. Ooh, two. To weave a wish. Beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Smells good. Very excited about seeing what's inside. Some traditional stuff. Black cohosh. Blue cornflower. St. John's wort. Beltane blessings. Ooh, smells nice. Love it. Got a candle here. A lovely lilac. Weaver oil. You see what's floating in it. Let's smell it. Interesting. Just aside really quick. Oops. Throwing things everywhere. Okay. This has got lots of hairs on it. Lots of Daily Bobs. Manifest incense. Pull these Daily Bobs off. Looks like a hanging. Let me see what we got here. Oh, it is. It's pretty decor. So here's a hanging. Beautiful woven thing. I like that a lot. That's very pretty. And black and wood are definitely aesthetically pleasing to me. I'll hold on to that for a second. And then this is the last item. Oh, no, there's a second to last item. We've got a very interesting looking crystal here. Very cool. Very, very cool. And then what appears to be a bow. Oh man, I love it. Wooden. Triquetra inside. So lovely. Absolutely love it. Okay, so bowl. And then hanging. Everything move up a bit so we can have you in the frame, and let me read about this. Okay, as we continue to work through magical processes and practices to strengthen our connection with all that surrounds us, we knowingly begin to create a woven tapestry of energy, intention, and experience. This tapestry is the manifestation of all of our actions and efforts. In a world where there is so much information competing for our attention, it is important that we harness these energies towards manifesting those things that we truly wish and yearn for. It is through this sacred practice do we truly utilize our magical abilities. In this one-of-a-kind and exclusive collection, we provide unique tools to push your intentions through to realization, connecting with the sacred unknown and leaning into the magical teachings of our guides. So hanging hanging hand-woven tapestry with teak intentions vessel. So I'm thinking this is the tapestry and this is the vessel. As with all handcrafted items created with purpose and intention, braiding and weaving have been found within magical practices dating back to early paganism and many other ancient cultures. These practices can be found as a deep meditative practice and are known to push the creator into a trance-like state while weaving. It is said that during this process you can accomplish astral travel, meeting your guides and ancestors for advice on the pressing realities in your world. I'm going to skip through this. Hand-woven tapestry woven onto a firm teak branch. As you hang this above a windowsill near your sacred space or simply place it where you feel it will be most effective, take the time to run your fingers through the braids. As you do this, say aloud your intentions or simply take these moments to ponder about your intentions, working as hard as you can to visualize your wishes manifesting in the future. In addition to the hanging tapestry, you will find a teak vessel carved with a symbol of the triquetra within the inside. Teak wood provides many auspicious energies and blessings. Its water energy has natural healing, raises consciousness and harmonizes body and soul to new vibrations. So you can create this as a vessel of intentions filled with written mantras and visualized outcomes. Place tokens, sigil stones, herbs, talisman pictures, and any gestures that you find relevant to your wishes. It's vital that all of the items that are placed within this bowl are personal to you and carry with them deep meaning. If you feel so inclined, add painted symbols to the inside and outside of your bowl to enhance your magical intent. Once you have created your vessel for your intention, simply place it within the cradle of the bottom of your tapestry. Your vessel should easily find placement and should feel comfortable within the fabric. Explore hanging this piece in different areas of your space, or simply hang it where the moon can shine upon it during the night. Once placed, let it be. Allow these energies to wander into the unknown universe, calling upon guides and spirits. Document this ritual within your BOS. Okay, so this is like a macrame in that it should house this guy. Ta-da! I like it. I like macrames for plants and stuff. This is really cute. I love it. Okay. Cool. To Weave a Wish Book of Shadows artwork. Oh, that's this one. Okay. Okay. Hand-rolled Wish Upon a Spell candle. And then the To Wish Upon spell. It's very, very pretty. The Weaver Magical Anointing Oil. Intention of enhancing your ability to stay focused on creating and crafting, which is really good. I definitely will be using that. Vanilla, almond, and clove oils, and have included lavender, dandelion, and blue corn flower as well. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lemurian quartz, and it also has Found Focus magic oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. Black cohosh root. It's this one. Used within many types of love sachets and protection spells. Black cohosh is a wonderful and unique root to have available during rituals. Protective, courage, lessening anxiety and stress, clarity. Cool. St. John's wort, scaredevil herb, protection, ensuring happiness and strength. Blue corn flower, psychic development, increasing effectiveness during divination. Argonite. Beautiful and unique stone is a true favorite of ours. Argonite is a wonderful companion during times of overwhelming stress and anxiety. In addition to being a calming agent, Argonite can help in raising our ability to communicate on higher planes, assisting you in formulating your intentions. Manifest ritual incense sticks. Beltane blessing celebratory sacred salt. Jasmine and rose oils, as well as hawthorn, marigold, and rosemary herbs, with some Beltane magical oil from their cabinet of witchery. Spirits of Fate. Book of Shadows artwork. The personalized oracle. Which is from the Magical Spell Cards deck by Lucy Cavendish. And then parchment paper. So what a treat. Definitely very cool. Especially as the weather gets warmer, I can definitely see a place for this in my little witchy corner over here. I'm very excited. Very excited. Very nice theme this month. Always something different with this box, which is saying something because I've been getting it for years at this point. So very much enjoyed that. I thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll be going through, I have quite a few things to go through. Of course, unboxings and book reviews and deck reviews and so much more. So please stay tuned on my channel. Trying to engage as much as I can, given you know, some of the stuff that I'm going through lately. But I am really excited to connect with you guys. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to connecting with you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.